In this video, I'm going to be telling you why cotton buds are very bad for your ears. So most people use cotton buds to clean their ears so as to get rid of the earwax, which usually makes them very uncomfortable. On very bad scenarios, something like this may happen. In this video, we're going to be covering two scenarios. So the first one is, for illustrative purposes, these are the parts of the ear that you need to put into consideration. So one, as you push the cotton bud traversing through the external auditory canal, through that space where the wax is embedded, the earwax is embedded, like you are seeing right now in the video, you cause the earwax to be pushed alongside the eardrum, and this causes it to thicken, and you may cause what they call earwax impaction, as it may harden due to constant pressure from the cotton bud, and this can lead to earwax impaction, which can have effects on your hearing. Okay, so you might need to see a doctor about that. The other very bad scenario is that as you traverse through the ear canal, the cotton bud passing through the canal may accidentally reach the eardrum. Okay, once the cotton bud reaches the eardrum, it perforates the eardrum, and this may leave intense pain and may lead to a conducting hearing loss, and you might need an ENT doctor for further treatment. Okay, so that's why cotton buds are very bad for your ears.